Houston's unpredictable weather often brings hailstorms that can cause significant cosmetic and structural damage to vehicles. Hail forms when frozen rain droplets fall as ice pellets that can dent panels, chip paint, and even crack windshields. Common hail damage signs include small dents on the hood, roof, and trunk, cracked glass, and chipped paint that can lead to rust. Prompt repair is crucial to prevent long-term issues and protect your car's value. Get a professional evaluation if dents are visible from different angles, the paint is chipped or cracked, or you plan to sell or trade in your vehicle. Paintless Dent Repair, PDR, is a preferred method in Houston because it restores panels without repainting, preserving the original finish. Mobile Dent Repair services offer added convenience by bringing PDR technicians directly to a customer's home or workplace. The process includes damage assessment, accessing panels from behind to gently massage out dents, and finishing the surface to match the car's original appearance. Mobile PDR is time-efficient, cost-effective, and environmentally friendly since it avoids chemicals and paint. When selecting a mobile dent repair provider, consumers should look for certified technicians, strong customer reviews, and clear pricing. Maintaining a clean car, using sheltered parking, and scheduling regular inspections can help prevent further issues. Acting quickly after hail damage ensures vehicle safety, appearance, and resale value. If you need famous dent repair done, call Kevin at 832-275-4374. That's 832-275-4374. Or send email at kevin@DentWerx Paintless Dent Repair.com.